The student overview page is designed to view all the pupils in one class at a time. It shows the amount that they are above or below target, the average curriculum security, and the number of assessments so far. For more information about selecting the right pupils with filters, view the filtering video in this YouTube channel. It's particularly important on this page. At the bottom right, there is a chart showing the CAP 4 scores, if your school uses them, for the pupils that are filtered. The 4 ability batteries are each shown as a bar. By clicking on the bars of any pupil in the main chart, the cards at the bottom will show their specific data, so you can compare it to the class average. This is true for curriculum security and number of assessments, as well as showing their CAP 4 scores, superimposed over the class average. Lastly, you can highlight which pupils belong to the various key groups displayed in the top right by clicking on the group label in one of those windows.